Hey class, I want to cover the positive circle and negative circle we talked about in the last few classes. So to begin, we're going to set up our feet. To do so, our back leg, in this case, our left foot, and our front leg, our right foot, are going to stand pretty wide, comfortably, but you can take a higher stance, but the goal is to get wider, and we're lining our back toes and heels on the same line. So our front foot is going to be open 45 degrees, and that heel is going to line up with the back toe, which is roughly closed. Okay, so once we get this position, we want to square up so that we're in the middle. We're not leaning to one side or the other. We're in the middle of the stance, and our left hand is going to hold our hip or sort of place on our abdomen, and our right hand is going to go out in front with the fingertips at eye level, and it's going to fall in front of the front leg. If it lands on the leg or in behind the leg, it's too far open. So you want it closed in a bit. You want to tuck the elbow in just slightly. Okay. So this is our beginning posture. We're looking in line with the fingertip. Pick a spot to look at, like a dot on the wall, and focus there. The job of the positive circle is to roughly come in from the bottom and then go out on the top. So generally, we're doing a circle in this direction, okay? The circle itself is basically in this space here, and this is sort of the high level direction of the circle. So it's like an egg with the sort of bigger part of the oval on the top and the smaller part at the bottom, okay? So from this position, the first step is to pull in with the elbow. The second move is, while we do that, we don't change anything on the body. So we just pull in with the elbow. We haven't changed anything in our structure, in our stance, in our posture. Pull in directly to the rib cage around here with the elbow. Then the second move is to rotate the waist. So we're turning the waist towards the back direction. At the same time, we're going to adjust our elbow and our shoulder to allow the hand to rotate on an axis so it's not moving sideways. So we're pulling it in, we're rotating the waist, and we're still on the middle axis. At this point, we go out with the hand and we open back to the beginning position. Now, that's a 3-count circle with 3 instructions. In with the elbow, turn with the waist, out with the hand. So we do that. In with the elbow, turn with the waist, out with the hand. In with the elbow, turn with the waist, out with the hand. In with the elbow, turn with the waist, out with the hand. In with the elbow, turn with the waist, out with the hand. We can also add a 4-count circle, which helps a little bit to segment the moves even further. So we pull the elbow in, we rotate the waist and turn and adjust the elbow and shoulder. And then what we do is we rotate the waist back over, and then we go out with the hand. So we have 4 counts. So we have in with the elbow, rotate the waist back, out with the hand. In with the elbow, turn the waist back, out with the hand. In with the elbow, turn the waist back, out with hand. In with elbow, turn with the waist back, out with hand. Typically, we practice both the 3-count circle and the 4-count circle.